Alright, welcome back to how to build a website from scratch, the Tablet CSS version of Kennedy Cafe, or Kennedy House of Pancakes. So, we did our mobile, and now we're going to do our tablet, which is 768. So, let's take one more look at the design and see how close can we get to doing this. You know, what kind of positioning can we do? I'm gonna see if I can do this, if I can make these guys happen side by side like they do on desktop, and that'll just make desktop almost nothing. So let's see what we can do here, because you know it's not too much, it's not too crazy, but that might be difficult to do. So we got this. I think I'm just going to cut all of this. This was the pre-built code, so we don't need this. Let's do a hard refresh. Okay, so I want to get, I want to do this now. So however big you are, this is going to be 56. So I want a hero, H1, font size 56. So we're going to start there. And okay, we got that. Now, hero H2. Let's do with the 100%. And you are going to be font size 18. Just so we can get that going. And we're going to margin top you because we need some space. We got to bring this down here. This is way too close to the top. So let's do margin top on the H1 100. 150. Let's do 180. I think that's pretty good. Now, these breakfast things. How am I going to do this? Because if I try to make them side by side, it'll look too small and claustrophobic and too crammed, honestly, because of this text. How do I want to go about this? I'm wondering. This is the tricky situation. So let's just see what it looks like. So we're gonna go to floating card here. So menu, floating cards. We're gonna do display, flex. Justify content center. Is that not doing it? Oh, maybe because they're a width of 100%. So if I do, let's check this. Let's check our card. Menu, floating cards, card. Okay, let's try this. That's not good. That's weird. So why is this not working? Oh, because I'm in 64 RAM. I'm in desktop. So stupid. Okay, so if we do it that way, that's what that looks like. And let's see, if we remove the P, it's easier to manage. I think I gotta remove. I think signature salads is a little too big. This is just one of the problems of, trying to cram a desktop design into smaller pages like a tablet. I'm trying to figure out how do I want to make this look? Because I like this look, but I don't think it can work here unless I make everything the font size is smaller. Because you can't just remove the P's. All right, so we're gonna get rid of that because that's just a terrible accessibility thing. I can make, let's see, 33.33. So what I could do is I can make these 50%. And then let's try and make the third one, or the last type, with the 100%. And we need to do flex wrap, so it wraps. So we have that. That's better. But I don't like this gap. Is this just because of the inspector? Yeah, it looks like it's just because of the inspector. So when we zoom into normal, there's no gap. So when we zoom out, I want to make this one make this a display. Flex. No. Text line center. What is going on here? Okay, so this H3, I want this to be in the center, but why are you behaving the way you're behaving? Okay, so it's just like content center. That should override that, but it's not. Menu, floating cards. Oh, I put the last of type on the wrong one. It should be on the card, not on the container. So there's that, okay. Now I want the P. I want to bring you in. Margin left, margin right, auto. Center you. Let's do like 450. 80, 70. There we go, that's better. I didn't like the way the text looked. So that's better. And then the A. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I can live with this. I dig it. That works for me. Okay. All right. So now that's there. Let's see. So we got our specials here, and I don't think we're gonna be able to do this. There's just not enough space. So I think the way this is all right by itself. I think I just need more space on this. I need more margin. So I'm gonna close this. Go to our specials. Why don't I just copy this? Margin. Let's do 80 pixels in auto. Push that away a little bit. Okay, now we need more space here. So this is image group. Padding, community. So let's go to community on 48. Padding top. Let's do 100. Because I need to get more space here. Okay, I want padding bottom to be 100. I want some more space there. I'm trying to. I mean, this does work for iPad. This design, I guess that's the beauty in its simplicity, is there's just not as much you have to do. So, I mean, a lot of times people have these really different tablet designs, or they try to do too much in tablet, but honestly, I think we're doing fine right now. So in testimonials, we need more padding top. 100 pixels top and bottom. And shoot, is this? I think this is okay. I think we got to do min height now on these. So this is 270 because you notice this one is smaller. So I need to do a min height. There, so they're all the same. 270, 279, 270. Like that. This one's a little too long. Let's do 280. There, so they're all the same. 280, 280, 280. Yeah, they're all the same height. Gosh, honestly, this is a pretty simple tablet section. I can't think of anything else we need to do. This is 36. This is 36. I mean, yeah. This might need to be a tablet and desktop video. This is pretty gosh darn quick. All right, but the footer. So I liked what I did here in the footer. So I'm just going to copy this. And I'm just going to put it in my tablet. And then on here, I'm going to make the padding top 100. Why does this P have a huge... Oh. Footer. There we go. Still waiting on a logo, but shoot, that's it. That's tablet. So, yeah, it's a pretty easy site. So, what is this? Like 5-10 minutes? Yeah, I mean, I can't think of anything else to do. So I think, I mean, just for the sake of continuity for all my videos, I'm just going to make this its own quick and dirty video. Oh, here we go. Yes, CTA. Padding 100, 0. All right, I like that 100 pixel padding on tablet. I feel like it's a lot. It allows for enough space to breathe. Some people, I see sites like this sometimes, where there's just nothing on top and bottom. There's no white space at all, and that's one thing that is very important in web design is how to utilize your space, because otherwise it feels too crowded. Let things breathe. You know, they don't need to be hugging each other. So this is Tablet. There it is. So I think desktop is going to be probably just as quick. Honestly, it's going to be. See, I love sites like this where it's minimal work to make. So that's the end of this thrilling video. And let's go to tablet or desktop. Yeah, desktop.